Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to effectively use Simple's budgeting tools in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now, the first step is going to be to set up a budget. So you can set up a budget for your Simple account. Just create a budget that tracks your income and your expenses. So to set up a budget, all you got to do is just log into your Simple account on Simple's website and then navigate to the budget tab. And once you're there, click on create a budget and just follow the prompts to set up your budget. You can also categorize your transactions to track your spendings easily. So use Simple's budgeting tools to categorize your transactions into different categories, such as it could be housing, food, transportation, whatever. So once you categorize your transactions, if you want to do that, you can just log into your Simple account and navigate to the transactions tab, and then just click on a transaction and select a category from the drop down menu, and that's going to help you to categorize your transactions. You can also set budget goals. So you can set budget goals for your Simple account, and to create budget goals, you got to create budget goals that aligns with your financial objectives, such as maybe you're saving for a down payment on a house, or it could be paying off debt, or whatever it is. Now if you want to set up a budget, all you got to do is just log into Simple account, and then you're going to navigate to the budget tab and click on set a budget goal, and just follow the prompts to set up your budget goal. Also, you can track your budget progress. So track your budget progress is going to help you to stay on top of your finances. And you can use Simple's budgeting tools to track your income and expenses and see how you're doing against your budget goals. Now, to set this up, all you got to do is just log into your Simple account and navigate to the budget tab. And then you're going to click on track your progress, and that's going to show you a summary of your budget activities, which you can view. That's pretty much it on how to effectively use Simple's budgeting tools in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys